Kasurog pa. Once again, we're live here, ladies and gentlemen, sa 𝗪𝗲𝗏𝗿 Memorial Stadium para sa ating double header matchup for today. Ang first game natin is the game of Team Labo, seemingly the underdogs, but with a late game comeback, town of Paracale. So ito na nga, VIERNES inbounding into the new guy, heavily guarded by two spins and using his body for an easy 2 points. Sinking both, and they are very good at defending the ball. They have several steals, converting it to points. Nagbabaga ang mga ginto. But no good in his first 3-point attempt. And a breakaway pass here to VIERNES, shooting 3. And what do you expect sa isang VIERNES? The rim, or even cross the half court, as VIERNES once again with a moving 3. Same possession, same shot, same score. VIERNES. So napagandang insight, since they are at the height disadvantage. Team Labo try to use their agility and speed in order to be at par with the seemingly dominant team. And using his left hand, misses. Good attempt there ni 𝗞𝘀𝗏𝗏 pero misses. So here's 𝗪𝗲𝗏𝗏𝗏, consistent again. It will hurt them. Kasi we know that Bernal is one of the most steady players din in Team Labo and has been contributing under the rim. Carillas, who has just entered this ball game. Now Natividad to VIERNES. Fires a 3-pointer. Indeed, the gold, the town of gold, itong Paracale.
Unang quarter pa talagang may mga chance na talagang nagkakambak itong Team Labo na to. But again, VIERNES with a 3-point bomb for Team Paracale naman, partner. We have VIERNES with 25 points, 1 assist, 1 steal, and Labo with 15 points, 6 rebound, and 3 steal, partner.
Magandang hapon sa iyo.
Well, thank you, Sir Jallo and Coach Paul. The game wasn't go right for Team Labo. Kakulangan sa maayos na ball rotation ang kailangan ni
Shoots from beyond the arc but misses. Now Natividad running from post to post, pass it to the corner to VIERNES. VIERNES with a bang.